Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of archiving Reels on Instagram using your iOS device. Archiving Reels allows you to remove them from your profile while keeping them saved privately. Let's get started. Step 1. Launch Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your iOS device. Step 2. Access your Reels. In the bottom menu, tap on your profile and you will be redirected to your Instagram posts. Now, tap on the Reels icon which looks like a play button at the center of your Instagram account. This will take you to the Reels section of your Instagram account. Now, scroll through your Reels and find the one you want to archive. Once you've found it, tap on the Reel to open it in full screen. Step 3. In the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll see 3 dots representing options. Tap on the 3 dots to access the menu for that particular reel. From the menu that appears, select Manage. Now, you can see the archive option on the screen. That's it! Now you know how to archive your Reels on Instagram using an iOS device. Archiving Reels can help you manage your profile and keep your content organized. Thank you for watching!